Alright, my wonderful people, welcome back to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest. So they're giving a back-to-back update and information. Stay hot. Now my people, the matter I can't give that be said Adams Oshiomhole don't talk say the deputy governor denied him entry to present the budget because he was wearing khaki. My people just said to moving after this we have Anthony Ehilebo talk say for Governor Monduwobolo to start to ask the local government chairman for account. See, it be like when press they ask governors for account. See, it didn't no make any sense at all. So he has expressed his disapproval for that suspension where Governor Monduwobolo don't give those 18 local government chairmen. Hey, my people, no be small no Bob if I go on the mentor. I go like welcome those who they join us on today wonderful news for the first time. You guys are highly welcome. I beg make una like, subscribe and share, but don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all our returning subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for joining. All my people, may we dive into the main story. In a surprising turn of events, my people, the former Edo State Governor Adams Oshiomhole don't come out con reveal say he was denied entry to the Edo State House of Assembly to present the state budget due to choice of attire. Specifically, his khaki outfit. My people, there was a report that this incident has ignited discussions about dress code and professionalism in political settings, as well as the broader implication for governors in Edo State. So Adams Oshiomhole, who currently serves as the national chairman of the All Progressive Congress, was at the Edo State House of Assembly to present a budget proposal when he was stopped at the entrance. So according to what Adams Oshiomhole is saying now, he said the deputy governor, Shaibu, was responsible for the decision to bar him from entering the assembly premises. Hey, my fellow sporting no. Adams Oshiomhole expressed his disbelief at the situation. So he go emphasize say his attire should not have been a determining factor in his ability to fulfill his official duty. Because he's in the shock when he was told that he could not enter the assembly because he was wearing khaki. That this is not just about clothing, it's about the responsibilities he hold as a leader. So in a recent press conference, Adams Oshiomhole don't call for a reassessment of that political culture in Edo State. He can argue say such action undermine the seriousness of governance. My people don't settle. And the collaborative spirit necessary for effective leadership. So my people, as they talk, so the incident don't draw misreaction from political analysts and the public, because supporters of Adams Oshiomhole view the deputy governor's actions as an unnecessary display of power and a diversion from the critical issues facing Edo State. They talk so it is clear example of how personal conflict can overshadow governance. So they need leaders who prioritize state need over tribal matter. People don't be small matter. Some people, conversely, some don't defend the deputy governor's actions, arguing that maintaining a certain standard of professionalism is important in political environments. They said, while it might seem trivial that there should be decorum in political settings, that leaders should set a good examples. My pastor they talk so this incident don't raise so many questions about the political dynamics between Adams Oshiomhole and the current administration in Edo State, because it highlights the tension that can arise when former leader transition into new role while navigating relationship with current officials. So they say Adams Oshiomhole's experience at the Edo State House of Assembly shed light on the complexity of political attire and professionalism in governance. So as the state continue to address pressing issues, it is essential for leaders to focus on collaboration and constructive dialogue rather than allowing personal disagreement to obstruct progress in Edo State. Now, what do people think? So my people go like make una chook mouth for this matter, make una tell me what una feel, what una think for this matter, because a lot of people they talk say this incident serves as a reminder that effective governance require unity and a commitment to the public good, regardless of attire or personal differences. So my people, make I know what you feel about this matter, because I'm not gonna lie now. So people they feel say Adams Oshiomhole and Shaibu never settle. Say they still get their kata inside them. They never forgive each other. So my people, make una let us know what you think about this matter in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. During an interview on Politics Today, a program broadcast on channel television, Anthony Ehilebo, a member of the People Democratic Party in Edo State, don't go express his disapproval of the suspension of the local government chairman in Edo State. This suspension will be say deposed on the basis of allegation of gross misconduct and insubordination to Governor Mondo Obolo. So, Ehilabo Donko reveals, say, Mondo Obolo, the governor of Edo State, had requested that the local government chairman provide him with their statement of account. Ehilabo talks, it is now unfortunate that the person will be saying they advise Governor Mondo Obolo no mean well for Edo people, because it is clear, say he wouldn't have been able to accomplish this feat on his own. He said Mondo Obolo no fit complete this feat on his own. He wouldn't have been able to accomplish this feat on his own, that if he had not been assisted by the person in question. So they said the act of the governor made his statement quite plain, that when he heard that Governor Mondo Obolo had requested that the chairman of the local government submit their statement and accounts, that it sounded to him like he had to contrast the situation. That imagine the president requesting the state governor to submit their account. That to him, that is a deviation from the law. He talks, imagine press telling Governor Mondo Obolo to submit his own statement of account. Say, get a be now. My police will not grow. So many persons there against what Mondo Obolo do. And some don't even write to the Edo State House of Assembly regarding the dissolution of the 18 elected local government chairperson in Edo State. They don't tell the Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, say, may they call back those people to work, because Governor Mondo Obolo no get rights. Even the House of Assembly no get right to suspend them because they are not under them. So people, the legal team don't urge the House of Assembly to act in accordance with the law, ensuring that the tenure of those elected local government chairmen is protected. Say me anything, no do them because they don't get right to suspend them at all. My promise wala. When that Mondo Obolo they talk, so the reason why he retaliate like that, he no get anything we be say if he do those local government chairman. He now only that option now he get to suspend the local government chairman. I'm making suspend them for 2 months. My point don't say to even PDP don't come out can condemn that act. They say it no make sense. They don't even urge the local government chairman say may they resume work. My people don't be smarting no. Majority carry the vote as soon as see for this matter, because a lot of people they against what Mondo Obolo do. Like I'm at all, apart from the APC persons, now them like what Mondo Obolo do. So people go like me gonna choke mark for this matter, make gonna tell me what I think, what I feel. I will not see this matter in our comment section. Once again, thank you all so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on reality latest gist. So my people, make una try, make una subscribe to my channel. To all our returning subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for joining us. We really do appreciate. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, comment, and X. Bye for now.